Wen Living is a small boutique luxury lifestyle residential community. I think because of the low amount of units in the facility and the attention to detail that we're going to offer in the services, this will feel like a little boutique hotel even though you're staying in a residential community. We know we have 2-bedroom apartments and we have 4-bedroom apartments, but when you come and stay, they can be used as a 1-bedroom suite, a 2-bedroom suite, a 3-bedroom suite, or a 4-bedroom suite property. So we are an all-suite property offering boutique, luxury, quality, class, lifestyle guest experiences. Everything is there for you when you want it, and we're looking forward to taking care of you. See you soon.